guys, I'm super excited to watch the new Paw Patrol Mighty Pups movie.
Woo, woo. We're all fired up and ready to go!
Yeah, I'm gonna go get tickets.
Yeah, let's go get our tickets, assistant, okay?
Yeah, let's go, Waggles, come on.
Waggles, you gonna go?
Waggles, come on, let's get tickets.
That's Paw Patrol movie. It's all about love, but it's Halloween! There's not a single vampire, witch, or even a Frankenstein! You know what? I have a way to fix that. Are you ready? Ready! Whoa, I'm feeling kind of strange.
Well, me too.
Ha-ha! Now we look like the Paw Patrol, and we can be in the Paw Patrol movie. Ha-ha-ha!
Oh, look it!
We will be stars! Ha-ha-ha! Come on!
What a nice Saturday afternoon. No homework and I can just relax.
Ring, ring, ring!
Hello? Ryder, why are you calling? You should be working on the Paw Patrol Mighty Pups movie. What? Marshall and Chase got turned into a vampire and Frankenstein and you need me to help or else you guys can't film the movie? I'm on it. Let me go get my proton pack.
Wait, so the assistant wants to change us back? It's not even Halloween yet! Oh, come on, Frank. We gotta hide!
I couldn't find my proton pack, but this neutrino wand will do the same job.
Good job, alright. So did Ryder say where we need to start?
He said that I just need to go through the maze and go through Spooky Town.
Alright, so let's see if we can find him, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
No! Dead end!
Nothing there.
This is not a good sign. Wiggles, Waggles!
Wiggles and Waggles are going to help us find him.
Lead
Let's
the
go.
way!
I don't think they're going to lead the way. Alright. People at home, we got to find... We don't even know what we have to find. We got to find Frankenstein and that silly vampire. Anything?
No! Dead end! Let's go. This way.
Okay.
This way, definitely. No, turn on, turn on.
Nothing this way? Wait a minute. Let's go this way.
Oh!
Hey!
Oh! Oh! I gotta turn this on!
Wait a minute.
No, no!
It's Marshall dressed up.
I didn't know it was the vampire! Ah!
Dressed up as Marshall.
No! Don't do it!
I gotta turn this on. Okay.
Switch it back.
Ah! We got him!
No!
We got you, Cal. You're back. Wait a minute. Marshall's still missing, assistant.
Oh no! We gotta... Where's Marshall?
I don't know. We gotta find the Frank who Chase, and then we'll have to find Paw Patrol too.
Okay, we gotta get out of this maze.
You've not heard the end of us yet, Count. We're gonna find Paw Patrol.
Right.
Be in their movie.
The exit's over here.
Yeah, was it this way?
Maybe.
So sneaky of them to get into this maze.
Huh. Is that a clue?
I don't think so.
Nothing over here.
Alright. Oh look! Wiggles and Waggles knew we went the wrong way.
Oh.
They know this maze so well.
I was right. The exit's right here.
Oh, it is right here. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Wait, why is my window open?
I don't know, somebody must have went through there.
Interesting.
So this is your funhouse. Anything in here?
No, nothing in here. Here comes the dogs. Wiggles, Waggles, come in here.
Waggles.
Wiggles, come on.
Wiggles seems to know that Chase couldn't be in here.
Wiggles.
All right, assistant, let's keep looking.
All right.
Anything back here?
No, nothing back there.
Okay.
Let's keep walking this way.
Chase, where could he be?
Chase.
Chase, you need
Frank?
to Chase, yeah.
Chase.
Behind these pumpkins, maybe?
No. Behind those pumpkins? No. Huh. In the slide?
See one? You think it sounds pretty hollow, so I don't think so.
Yeah.
Chase! Behind here?
Nope, not behind there.
We gotta save the Paw Patrol movie, assistant.
We do. Not by the pumpkins either.
No? Okay.
Through the tunnel?
Let's go through the tunnel here.
I should turn this on just in case.
That's a good idea. Get it ready. Show me how it works.
Oh, okay. So, you have to turn it on,
Okay.
just like that, and then you have to pull that, and then that comes out. Okay.
Oh, and it changes colors too.
Yep.
That's really cool. Wow, well, we gotta find them.
Okay. Spider!
Has that always been here? I don't think it'll do anything to a spider.
Huh.
Let's keep looking over here in the corner. That's just an inflatable. There's a tree.
Don't see anything. Ah!
It's freaking Chase!
It's freaking Chase! I'm gonna get him! Ah!
You turned it back!
Frankenstein!
Turn it back into Frankenstein!
We gotta get out of here!
No, wait a minute. Frankenstein's nice. You just want to be a part of the Paw Patrol movie.
Oh, okay, Frankenstein.
So now we gotta find the real Chase and the real Marshall, right?
Yeah, I wonder where they could be. Maybe.
There's Wiggles and Waggles.
Oh! Just.
Frank
Frank almost trampled him. Alright, now we have to find Marshall and Chase again.
Yeah. So we turned them back, but we gotta find them because they, you know.
We haven't been out here yet.
Yeah, I know, but we haven't been through your slide yet either. So do you think maybe we gotta go down the slide?
Maybe you do.
You think that they might be in there?
I thought we already checked the slide.
Well, you just tapped it. We checked it for Paw Patrol or for the.
Do you want me to climb up it?
No, you can climb down it here. So there's Arnold right there. Do you want to go first or second?
I'll go first.
You,
Okay. Here I go.
go down the slide.
Can you hand this to me when I get in the slide?
Sure. Can you hand me the camera while I get this?
Do I have to come back up?
No. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, here I go. Woo! Ah!
Anyone down there?
No!
Here we go, people. We're gonna go down the slide too. Here we go. Down the slide. Woo!
Yay!
Whoa, I made it. Paw Patrol wasn't down there, assistant.
Nope. Okay. Oh,
Huh. Let's So we gotta find them.
Okay, let's go this way.
Well, it's gotten dark all of a sudden. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
I got you.
this way. Wiggles, Waggles, come on. This way, this way.
We should go this way?
Yep.
We're on the outside of the maze.
Marshall!
It is Marshall. Hey, Marshall.
Hi!
Where's Chase?
Oh, he's already at the lookout tower. He's doing his scene. Thanks for
Oh,
finding us.
you're welcome.
Oh, so you guys are okay. So you're gonna push it.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
You can fly.
Yeah.
Ah!
Wow, good job, Assistant Wade. Helping Marshall out with this. People at home, do you need somebody to help you push on the slide or on the swing, or can you do it by yourself?
Woohoo!
Marshall, you can go by yourself.
You're the best, assistant.
So remember, you gotta pump your legs right on the swing.
Woohoo!
I gotta call it a slide. That's a swing. What am I calling it a slide for?
Woo!
Thanks for finding us.
You're welcome. Hey, Assistant, so we were able to change Marshall and Chase back, right?
Right, it saved the movie.
It saves the Paw Patrol Mighty Pups movie. What should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to follow us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Atkins TV.
That's right. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hey, and also check out TF Plugged In if you want to see some behind the scenes
Right.
stuff, right?
Right. Bye.
Bye, everyone.